Hello everyone, myself Boishakhi. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will solve problem on machine of ICSE class 10 concise physics, section 3A. For other problem of this chapter, please see my previous video. The question is, the figure shows a wheelbarrow of mass 15 kg carrying a load of 30 kgf. With its center of gravity at A. The points B and C are the center of wheel and tip of the handle such that the horizontal handle AB equals to 20 cm and AC equals to 40 cm. So the mass of the wheelbarrow is 15 kg. So this is M. Therefore, weight W will be 15 kgf. It's carrying a load of 30 kgf with its center of gravity at A. Here is the center of gravity. So, the weight of the wheelbarrow will act here. Okay. The point B and C are the center of wheel. So, B, that is B, center of wheel, and C is the tip of the handle. So, AB equals to 20 cm, AC equals to 40 cm. So, in the diagram, mark fulcrum, F, load L and effort E along with their directions. So, it is the fulcrum and here load acts, which acts downward, and here effort should be put, which acts upward. Okay. So, part A is completed. For part B, calculate load arm, effort arm, mechanical advantage. Okay. So, here the load arm meaning the distance from fulcrum to load. Therefore, the load arm is 20 cm. That is equals to AF equals to 20 cm. And the effort arm equals to the distance from the fulcrum to the effort, that is equals to FC equals to 40 cm plus 20 cm equals to 60 cm equals to FC equals to 40 plus 20 cm equals to 60 cm. Calculate the mechanical advantage. We know that mechanical advantage equals to effort arm divided by load arm, right? So, effort arm equals to 60 cm, load arm equals to 20 cm, therefore mechanical advantage equals to 3, okay? Calculate the minimum effort required to keep the leg just off the ground. So, we know that mechanical advantage equals to another formula, load by effort. So, here total load equals to 30 kgf, that is the weight of the load, and 15 kgf, that is the weight of the wheelbarrow, will acts across the point A. Okay. So, total load will be 30 kgf plus 15 kgf equals to 45 kgf divided by effort is equals to, effort should be we calculated, therefore the effort equals to 45 kgf divided by mechanical advantage, the known value, it is 3, therefore the effort is equals to 15 kgf. Okay, this is the minimum effort required to keep the leg just off the ground. Name the kind of lever. For wheelbarrow, the load L is between the effort and the fulcrum. Therefore, effort arm is longer than the load arm, right? Effort arm is 60 cm and load arm is 20 cm. Therefore, the mechanical advantage, that is effort arm by load arm greater than 1, here that is 3. Therefore, it is a class 2 lever. Okay. Thank you for watching. In next video, I will come with another problem of same chapter. Please wait, will come soon.